Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. I'm also doing good. We had a seminar in our college, so I was there, and I'll show you how we organize seminar, how I spend time there.
Welcome our guest on the dais by handing over the mic to Mr. Subham Kumar Tupati.
भद्राया वामभागे रथचरणयुतं ब्रह्मरुद्रेन्द्रवन्द्यम् वेदानां सारमेकं स्वजनपरिवृतं ब्रह्मदारुं स्मरामि। ॐ जप्तारु ब्रह्ममूर्ति प्रणवतनुधरम् सर्ववेदान्तसारम् भक्तानां कल्पवृक्षं भवजलधरणिं सर्वतत्त्वानुतत्त्वम्।
स्वागतं 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 कोमल फूलों से खुशबू बनकर आप यहाँ आए हैं, सबके मन का गीत बनकर आप यहाँ आए हैं। कोमल फूलों
Watch this video till the end.
खुशबू बनकर आप यहाँ आए, गीत बनकर आप यहाँ आए हैं।
Now I'd like to request our head of the department, Manoj, to give Uttariya and plant to our guest come resource person, Dr. Jayashri Mishra ma'am. Now I'd like to request our assistant professor, Dr. Prabhakar Duari sir, to give Uttariya and plant to our head of the department, Manoj Kumar Sethi sir. Now I'd like
उपस्थित थिबा समस्तଙ୍କୁ ନିକଟରେ ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରୁଛି ଓ ନନ୍ଦନ ଜଣାଉଛି। ଆଜି ଏହିଭଳି ଏକ ସୁନ୍ଦର ସୁଯୋଗ ଏହି ଅବସରରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଥିବା ମଞ୍ଚରେ ବିଭାଗୀୟ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଡକ୍ଟର ମନୋଜ କୁମାର ସେଠୀ ମହୋଦୟ ଏବଂ ଏହି ପାଠ୍ୟଚକ୍ରର ବିଷୟ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶକୁ ଆମର ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଜିଜ୍ଞାସୁଙ୍କ ନିକଟରେ
students of our college, I on behalf of the PG Department of Psychology, FTC Autonomous College, and being the convener of this seminar, I would like to welcome all of you to this auspicious occasion, seminar.
Again, I request our keynote speaker, today's keynote speaker. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And head of the department, like my younger brother, Dr. Manoj Sethi, and your teacher and my student, Dr. Prabhakar Vera. And also, I am very, it is a nice moment, another moment that my childhood friend became the 9th, 10th, school time friend, Digli Topi is there. And Suresh sir from Pondicherry University is one important college. So really, it is a very nice moment. ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜଣା ସମସ୍ତେ ଥିବେ ନିଜକୁ କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ୍ ଲାଗେ and suppose you try to speak something, share something in front of an audience, there will be some anxiety. Some people in this space anxiety depression of Dhana good experience with that. So, but when we find some known people, known faces, we feel comfortable. Train आ जाता है, चलो जाके जाने लगे. So, and of course, most important is the audience, including the students who are over here. So the theme is really very nice, bridging the gap. Psychology for society, bridging theory and practice. All of us know about different theories. We start, I think, those who are in psychology, all of us start with learning. Everybody knows that. All those classical theories are there. Right now, there will be very applied, new theories are also there. Not only learn, any phenomenon, any concept that you take. Suppose in the context of organization, we have say motivation, as Manoj sir was mentioning about Madam, motivational speaker. So the thing is, so many theories are there. Also involving that, using that, there are different ways, different procedures which are mentioned in the textbooks or in various literature regarding counseling and therapy. Those are also there. People are there who are practicing it. Counselors are there, therapists are there. And here in the classroom, teachers are there who are dealing with the theories in the textbooks. The thing is that all of us will agree, some of the agree with, I think, even most of the Raji Avadi, समस्तों psychological जो service मिल पाती है. Everybody has not the opportunity to get that counseling or therapy. But the thing is, it is not that counseling can be provided only in the sessions. Therapy cannot be provided. That is there. आपको छाड़ी की भी day-to-day life में हमें और उसका उसका पता होता कला बड़े भी हमें counseling दे परिवार की किसी कि ना daily interaction में भी तहारा
framework which predicts certain phenomena. What is phenomena? Suppose I'll say, if your behavior is not proper, means it is not according to the social approval. Because social approval is a different topic. In different society, there are different type of behavior. Maybe one thing is common or acceptable in Indian society, not acceptable in the Western society, or their behavior is different from us. So they predict certain phenomena. Means if you don't behave properly according to our Indian society, it will lead to mental illnesses or mental health issues. Means you may suffer from stress, anxiety, depression, etc. etc. And they are generally discipline specific. What I told you. Discipline means subject specific. Maybe it is from, if I am talking about psychology, the theories are from psychology. If I am talking about mathematics, it is related to mathematics. So often they build upon or even contradict one another. It means Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic theory contradicted by Neo-Freudians.
मुंह देखा अपना. सब्जी में क्या है? सब्जी भी नहीं है. इसको देखो, बिजी पर्सन